So let's get started by selecting a template. We'll use the same process that we did before. In this case, I happen to like the WISP presentation. It's fairly straightforward and simple. So we'll take that and we'll create our presentation out of it. Now, in this scenario, we don't really know what the content of the training presentation is yet, because that's going to be handed to us by the HR department. So we're going to arbitrarily take a stab at what we think it might look like, add in a slide, get a basic layout, and then shortly thereafter we'll get our content and import it. So let's go ahead and title the thing, if I can spell. There we go. I'll go ahead and add in a new slide. We'll add in some bullet points. Maybe we're going to talk about working hours. And with full expectation that this stuff will change later. Holiday schedule. All right. But what we want to actually do is we want to take a look at the layouts that are available to us. So I anticipate what we'll probably do is we'll add in some text data and then we'll add some images to spice it up to make it look a little bit more palatable. So let's take a look at our slide master by going to the View ribbon. We'll hit the Slide Master button. And in the Slide Master, we can see what layouts are available to us. Now, if you recall, I said we're going to have text data and we're going to have image next to that. Let's scan through here. We have two areas for text data. That's not exactly what we want. It's fairly close. And actually, I already happen to know that there isn't a layout that's matching exactly what I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy one of the existing layouts and modify it a little bit. So I'll select this layout. I'll right-click and go ahead and duplicate it. So now I have an additional layout. I'm going to drag him down to the bottom just so I can find him easily. I'll rename it. We'll just call it Custom Layout, just so I can identify it easily when I want to add to it. And I'm going to replace this with a picture placeholder. So I'm going to insert a placeholder. It's going to be for an image or picture. I'm going to draw it out on the slide such that now, if I go back to normal view, first of all, I'll give you the tip that if you want to exit Slide Master View, you have to go to the Slide Master ribbon. You choose Close Slide Master View. I'm back to my normal slide presentation. And if I want to insert a new slide, I can now choose my custom content layout. And since I plan to be using this layout over and over again for all my slides, I don't have to reposition and reformat things over and over again to get the slide layout that I'd like. So here we learned a little bit about slide masters and using of layouts and customizing those layouts. I'm going to give you an opportunity to try some of that now.